So this is a audio watt meter. It is a 583A. It is to measure the audio output and audio frequencies coming out of your radio. So you have basically three adjustments. You have the ohms. So typically most headsets are 600 ohms. So 60 times 10, I'll wait for you to do the math, gives you 600 ohms impedance. If I switch it, I can go 60 ohms, or I could go 0.1 times 40, which would give me 4 ohms. So I could test a speaker output, or I could test a phone's output. Most speakers will put out more power than this can handle. So you want to be careful when you're testing a speaker. So we're going to go 10 times 6 is 60, or sorry, 600. Your output, you'll notice there's a little G on the bottom, and then there's the positive. That goes to a phone plug, which goes into your panel in behind, in behind you, in your headphone jack. And then what you're going to do is you're going to be able to read the meter. Which is in milliwatts, or it's in decibels at the top. It's hard to read in the red, probably pick it out. So if I have the multiplier set to 1 and I go to the 10, that would be 10 milliwatts or 10 dBs. Depends on what I want. Now if I go up one scale to, you see I went to 10. So that means if I go to 10, it's 10 times 10 for milliwatts, but it's 10 plus 10 for dBs. So if I went to there, it would be plus 10, so it would be 20 dBs or 100 milliwatts. So you have to know you have to read the scale correctly, and you're going to use this as a reference to find out how sensitive the radios are. So this is a audio watt meter. We also have RF watt meters as well, so don't get them confused. This measures audio, and the B-rad watt meter measures RF power. So two different meters. So you have to remember which one you're picking out of the cabinets to do your test. I'm going to have some practice on these scales to see how you can read them. Simple, fairly simple once you get a little bit of practice.